Planning to install a concrete driveway but not sure what it costs? Here's what really affects concrete driveway pricing. Size of the driveway. A bigger area is equal to more material and labor. Thickness and reinforcement. Rebar, mesh, and added strength increase durability and cost. Finish type. Room finish, smooth finish, or decorative options like stamped concrete. Site preparation. Leveling, removing old concrete, and grading can impact the price. Location and accessibility. Tight spaces or complex layouts take more time. A quality concrete driveway is an investment built to last, resist cracking, and boost your home's curb appeal. Want accurate pricing for your project? Get a free estimate today. Contact us.